Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. I am your host Jonathan. Thank you for joining us on this rather blustery day here in Cypress Hills, Brooklyn. And we are here, strangely enough, at the Cypress Hills Cemetery, opened in 1848 as part of what was called America's cultural contribution to civilized burial of the dead. When this cemetery opens, this part of Brooklyn was very tony, big houses and farms. So a great place to have a cemetery far away, again, from New York City, moving burials and so forth, as I've talked about quite a lot. This area originally had a fortification on it, or not originally, its first claim to fame was it had a fortification on it during the Battle of Long Island. That's obviously long gone by 1847, and in 1848, when the cemetery is done, this part right here opens up. Now it's conveniently located to this rather busy road and the J train, which is right over there if you want to pan over. That's the J train. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the tours here at Cypress Hill, and thanks again for watching 1 Minute Walk.